Hello all, how are you? Hoping that you are doing good. In this video we are going to learn some important aptitude problems and solutions. Let's get started. The first problem is a hall whose length is 16 meters and breadth twice its height takes 168-meter length and of paper 2 meter wide for its four walls. Find the area of the floor. We were asked to find out the area of the floor. And according to the problem, there is a room which is in the form of a cuboid. No need to panic, this is a simple solution. The length is 16 meters, height is x, consider height as x, and breadth is 2x. Why? Because breadth is twice its height. That's why breadth is 2x and height is x. We know the area of the floor formula. Area of the floor formula is length into breadth. So that's why 16 meters into breadth is 2x. 16 into 2x, that is 32x is the area of the floor. Among the options, how many 32 multiples are there? First option 32, 6, 192. 72 is not a 32 multiple. Again 96 is the 32, 3 is 96. 96 is the 32 multiple. So there are two options of 32 multiple. So we need to solve the problem. This is the area of the floor. We have to find out the 32x. This is the hall. Length is 16 meters. Breadth is 2x and height is x. Area of the four walls. Actually in the question it was given, a clue has been given. It is paper. Paper means this paper, what is to do with this paper? This is a wallpaper which is to be attached to the four walls of the hall. So for that reason we have to take area of the four walls, not the perimeter. We should not take volume, we should not take perimeter, we should take the area of four walls. Area of the four walls, here the formula is 2 of LH plus BH. From where did this formula came means there will be two combinations, two lengths and two heights will be there. So that's why LH plus LH, and again BH plus BH. That means the two breadths and two heights will be given in the floor. So that's why 2H into L plus B. That is the area of four walls. And here paper measurement is 168 into 2. That is length into breadth 2 meters. After that 2H of L plus B. This is the wall measurement and here is the paper measurement in the left hand side and right hand side. When we solve, we will get 84 equal to x into 8 plus x. Now a quadratic equation is going to appear. What are the factors for the 84? In which 8 should be the difference. So 14 and 6 will be the factors. Among these two, between these two, x equal to 6 satisfies the equation. So that's why put x over here. We'll get area 32 into the x value is 6. So 32 into x equal to 192 meters square. Option A is the correct answer. Moving to the second question. If sum of three numbers is 65, if the ratio of first to second number is 5:3 and that of the second and third number is 7:3, then what is the second number? Here the first ratio A to B is given as 5:3 and B to C is given as 7:3. We have to find out the second number, that is B we have to find out. In the first ratio the B value is 3. That means the B should be 3 multiple. Among the options, how many 3 multiples are there? Option A, option B, 21 is the same 3 multiple, 35 is not 3 multiple and 65 is not 3 multiple. Again in the second ratio the B to C equal to 7:3. That means again the B should be a 7 multiple. Among option A, B and C, 9 is not the 7 multiple, 15 is not the 7 multiple and therefore 21 is a 7 multiple. Hence option C is the correct answer. Moving to the third question. A certain sum of money amounts to 4,800 rupees in 5 years at 4% per annum. In how many years will it amount to rupees 16,000 at the same rate? Amount is given as 4,800. That means principal plus interest equal to 4,800 rupees. We know that principal is always 100%. So 5 into 4, 20%. That means 100% of principal plus 20% of simple interest equal to 120%, which is equal to 4,800. Hope you understood this step. Now 120% is equal to 4,800 rupees. What is 1% value? 1% value is 40 rupees. Next, in the second scenario, the amount is given as 16,000 rupees. And we were asked to find out after how many years the 16,000 rupees comes if at the same rate. That means amount is 16,000 by 40, that gives 400%. 400% is the amount. 400% is equivalent to 16,000 rupees. In this 400%, principal plus simple interest are there. As we discussed earlier, principal is always 100% and simple interest is the remaining. Out of this 400%, principal is 100%. If we remove of those, that principal equal to 100%, the simple interest will be 300%. For 4%, 1 year. For 1 year, the rate is 4%. For how many years the rate is 300% means 300 by 4 equal to 75 years. Option E is the correct answer. Fourth question. A committee of 5 members is going to be formed with 3 trainees, 4 professors and 6 research associates. How many ways they can be selected if there are 2 trainees and 3 research associates in the committee? So we have to select 3 research associates and 2 trainees among the group. Out of that, 2 trainees means out of 3 trainees we have to select 2 trainees, that is 3C2. And again we have to select 3 research associates from 6 research associates, so 6C3. After solving we get 60. Option C is the correct answer. Here is a concept to discuss. NCR equal to NC n minus R. NCR here 3C2 can also be written as 3C1. Instead of writing 3 into 2 by 1 into 2, we can directly write as 3C1. That is the concept of NCR equal to NC n minus R. The last and final problem. The respective ratio of number of males to number of females in village A is 4:5. If in village B, the number of males is 20% more than the number of males in village A and the number of females is 25% more than those in village A, then what will be the respective ratio of males to females in village B? Meaning of the question is, in village A, the male is to female ratio is 4:5. In village B, there are 20% more males than the males in village A and 25% more females than that of village B. So, in A, the male is to female ratio is 4:5. In B, the male is to female ratio is 4/5 into 120%. From where this 120% came? That is 100 plus 20, 120%. By 25% more females means 125%. So after the cancellation we get 96 by 125, that is 96 is to 185, 125. Option D is the correct answer. Hoping that you have understood all the questions. Thank you for reaching us. Thank you for watching. Keep learning and be happy.